Rocket Pat here. Hi guys, it's another day in the jungle. Okay, I got all these engines sitting here that are just filthy dirty and all. So, got to get cleaning on this, and this is kind of a pain in the ass. Nobody wants to do this job. So what I've got is, and I don't know if I've ever shown this to you guys before, but how I'm going to clean all that up is out here. Some guys have hot tubs that sit on their back decks that attract the ladies. I got a hot tub back here that sits on my back deck that cleans the parts. Okay, so got it all heated up. Had to replace the pump motor again. Long story, no, blah, blah, blah. This is a TemCo parts washer. And man, I love this thing. This thing is the greatest thing since sliced bread. And I don't even really eat sliced bread. So, turntable, turns it. Got a jet pump that blasts water at it. And a big heating element to make the tank of water hot. And yeah, runs great. This is one of the heads that's going in. Dirty. This one's already come out and it's clean. There's no grease, no oil, just dry, where you still got grease on these. All right, well, let me get this going and rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking here. I'll turn it on for a second here. You can see it gets hot. So it's like a steam cleaner, but just blasting hot water at it. All right, guys, well, I got to get going. I've got cars to work on today and engines to take apart and parts washer to load and unload and load and unload with some heavy stuff. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Yep, we're going to do an anatomy of a crackhead video coming soon. All right, guys, y'all talk to y'all later. Keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Keep grinding it down.